Okay, so I'm really bored, so I'm going to show you how to flip a butterfly knife. Okay. So you got to make sure that the lock is hanging out like that, so it looks like that in your hand, so you don't cut yourself. And then you drop it, you twist it in your hand with your thumb, you flip it over your knuckles, and you flip it back and catch it. So it should look like this. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to flip it closed. Okay, so you hold it out like that, and then you drop it. This part should still be hanging out. You twist it in your hand, you flip it back over your knuckles, and then you flip it back and catch it. So it should look like this. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to flip it open and flip it closed. Drop it, twist it, fling it over your knuckles, fling it back, flip it back, twist it, pull it, and catch it. So it should look like this. Yay! Now you try it. And you can do it repeatedly. And that's how you flip a butterfly knife. Peace. Yay!
Yay! Yay! Yay! I'm very loving, George.
Yay!
Oh.